Here at Ping Identity, we provide identity management solutions that allow organizations to secure every digital transaction that takes place, whether that's to their customers, to their partners, or even their workforce. We understand that identity is the control plane that accesses and allows people to access the applications and the technologies they need to either conduct business or to do their jobs. And here we provide the latest and greatest technology to allow people to do that in the most efficient and secure manner possible. So we at Ping Identity are very excited to be a sponsor at the MoneyNext Summit this year because it provides a great opportunity to talk to customers from across the financial services industry to understand the challenges that they are experiencing as they want to digitally transform their business and reach more consumers in the advancing digital identity age. We get to partner with our customers, help them understand the solutions that we can provide them so that they can successfully deliver the capabilities they need for their customers, not only today, but into the future. During the show, Ping Identity will introduce a lot of new and innovative technologies that you can leverage to deliver the best experience and improve security for your customers. We will show you things that allow you to leverage the most advanced authentication capabilities, such as going passwordless in a manner that doesn't impact your customer's journey. We'll talk about dynamic authorization and how it can prevent scams and things along those lines, as well as talk about risk-based fraud prevention so that you can mitigate fraud that occurs in your environment. Be sure to attend our 3 panels where you'll learn more about these topics. Come by our booth to discuss your individual needs and make sure you look at our demo on the demo stage. Overall, we're here to help you solve your business problems.